And this is We're Rolling on Ashes to Diamonds. Oh, yeah, cool. All right. Having her come live with me and exposing her to my deepest, darkest secrets and my stomach rumbling.
Again?
Sorry. Everything between us was great, and I really don't know why things blew up the way that they did, you know?
Do you think that they actually blew up, or do you think that you're just perceiving it to be bigger than it actually was?
Well, I mean, running a smear campaign is a little bit much.
I'm here, I wrote that you show signs of codependency. These are signs of codependency. If we're not given validation growing up, we seek and smother people in it in our adult life. Adult life?
Adult life.
Adult life.
A dolphin's life. I want to get one more,
Okay.
but I'm pretty sure we have everything I need, but part of my brain is like,
One more.
yeah.
Just do one more.
Just one more. Why? I like how Tarantino gaslights his crew. He's like, why do we do another take? Because we love making movies. And then everyone's just like, yeah.
You also licked Salma Hayek's toes, so let's... Like you...
This is turning into actual therapy.
Yeah, this is why I'm gonna start charging.
This curse of codependency, there must be a spell to remove it.
Conscious awareness. Self-doubt without...
Self-doubt.
Just make sure you don't send it. I'm laughing!
It's like, wait, I got to like make a reference to, all right, I'll talk about our history.
History. And why would you ask me, are you cool with that? You just say, we're gonna go through that.
Because I'm a codependent empath.
Are you ready here for your therapy session? When did your life turn to
Everything was Jane.
What was that? That was a good one.